Hello everyone. We have already learned how to add and subtract of like fraction and unlike fraction. Today we will learn multiplication and division of fraction. So let's start. So first example we are taking, out of 8 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded. So this is 3 by 8. Out of 5 equal parts, 4 parts are shaded. This is 4 by 5. Now how to multiply these fractions? Simply multiply the numerators and simply multiply the denominators. So if we are multiplying the numerators, 3 into 4, we will get 12. And 8 into 5, which is equal to 40. So the numerators are being multiplied and denominators are multiplied. So 3 into 4, which is 12, 8 into 5, 40. So another example we can take, 2 by 3. Out of 3 equal parts, 2 parts are shaded. This is 2 by 3 and this is 3 by 4. How to multiply? Simply multiply the numerators. 2 into 3, we will get 6. And now multiplying the denominators. 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. Now we can reduce it to the lowest term. 6 by 12. Yes, this is equal to 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So this can be equal to 1 by 2. Yes, now we have reduced it into the lowest term. Another example we are taking, 2 by 5 into 6 by 7. The same procedure, multiplying the numerator, 6 into 2, 12, and multiplying the denominators, 5 into 7, 35. Another example we can take, 1 by 4 multiply 2 by 3. Yes, the same method, multiplying the numerator first, 2 ones are 2 and the denominators are multiplied, 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. Now we should try to reduce it to the lowest term. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So this is equal to 1 by 6. Now we will learn how to divide the fractions. Division of fraction is how we can divide. We are taking the number 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Now the first step is we will write the first fraction as it is. No change. After writing the first fraction as it is, we will change the sign of division. Now we will convert it into multiplication sign. So that means division is being, now we have multiplied, we have changed the sign. It was division, now we have done multiplication. But once we have changed the sign, so we will change the digit, we will change the fraction which is written after the division. So we will reciprocal, we will write reciprocal of this fraction. What is reciprocal of this? This 3 is in the denominator. Now we will write as a numerator. It is 2 by 3. Now if we do the reciprocal of this, it will be 3 by 2. So the first step is write the fractions as it is, which is before the division. Okay. The next step is, instead of the division sign, we are replacing in multiplication sign. But after changing the sign, the next fraction which is after the division, that will be the reciprocal of this. So it is 2 by 3. Now it will be 3 by 2. The next step. Now we can cancel the terms if it is possible. 2 is cancelled by 2. So it will be 3 by 5 is left. Another example we can take is 4 by 7 divided by 2. Now nothing is there in the denominator. So what can we do? Now we can just write 1 as a denominator because it doesn't change the fraction, the value of the fraction. So the similar steps we will follow. It is 4 by 7. Yes, we have written as it is. Now we are changing the division sign. We will replace as multiplication. So after the division sign, it is 2 by 1. Now we will write reciprocal of this. So we will write 1 by 2. So how to do now? It is simpler. Now 4 ones are 4 and 7 twos are 14. As we done in the previous question, multiplication of fractions. So numerators are being multiplied. 4 into 1, 4, and 7 into 2, 14. We can reduce it into the lowest term. 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14. So it is reduced to 2 by 7. So we can try these fractions, division of fractions. One more question we are going to do, that is mixed fractions. So 5 by 6, division of 2, 1 by 10. How to do this? First we will convert these mixed fraction into improper fractions. So 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 5, 35 upon 6. You can see it here. Now the division sign. Now we will convert this mixed fraction into improper. 10 twos are 20 plus 1, 21 upon 10. So the first step we have done, converting into improper fraction. Now we will follow the same steps as we done in the previous question. First fraction we will write as it is. Now we will change the sign of division sign. It will be multiply. So we have replaced the division sign as multiplication sign. So the next fraction is 21 upon 10. So the reciprocal of this will be 10 upon 21. So now we will see which is the common factor between these two numbers. Yes, so 7 is the common factor. So 7 can be divisible by 21 also and 35 also. So 7 5s are 35 and 7 3s are 21. So now we can move further. It is now 2 is the factor of these two numbers. So 2 is divisible by 6 and 2 is divisible by 10 also. So dividing by 6, 2. So 2 is divisible. What we will get if we divide 6 by 2? So it will be 3. Now dividing 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So numerator should be multiplied by another numerator. 5 into 5, 25. And the denominators are multiplying. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So 25 upon 9. Now we can convert it into mixed fraction. How to do that? Yes, 9 twos are and this is remainder. How we can write? This is whole number. So we will write it 2 here, and 7 upon 9 is the fractional number. So this is the mixed fraction. So how we have done? We will just recall it. First we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now the next step is we will write the same fraction as it is here. Now replacing the sign, in place of division sign, we are just giving the multiplication sign. And now this fraction will be reciprocal. It is 21 upon 10. So we will write 10 upon 21. Now we will try to solve it. We will try to cancel the term. Now we will see which is the common factor of these two numbers. So 7 is the common factor. We have tried to make it. We have tried to reduce it, and our answer is to 7 upon 9. 2 is a whole number and 7 upon 9 is a fractional number. So now you can practice more sums of multiplication and division of fractions, and do like and subscribe the channel Cognitive Plus. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.